Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Asif and today I am going to give you some important passages from the remaining lessons for translation. So the next lesson is lesson number 6, the reward. Please note down. So Gorgias was appointed acrobat to the court. So Gorgias was appointed acrobat to the court and learned so late in life. यहाँ से शुरू होकर बेटे ये ख़त्म होगा. Which took place as soon as after the creation of the post, as Gorgias uniform could be got ready. यहाँ तक. Next है. Of course it took a long time. Of course it took a long time से शुरू होकर ये ख़त्म होगा. And the idea caught on, and to make a very long story short, the post of court acrobat was duly created. यहाँ तक. Next passage है. As he came to the first, he looked up for a moment. As he came to the first, he looked up for a moment with a slightly sad expression. यहाँ से शुरू होकर but he did it. Not many stick to a thing for so long. Next है जी. But as the years went by, he wore down opposing arguments. But as the years went by, he wore down the opposing arguments. से शुरू होकर and so the idea caught on. And to make a very long story short, यहाँ तक. Next है he went into politics. He went into politics से लेकर. Of course it took a long time that it is politics too. Next है the use of force. The use of force. As I moved my chair a little nearer, as I moved my chair a little nearer से शुरू होकर looked what you have done, the nice man. यहाँ तक. Next है then I grasped the child's head with my left hand. Then I grasped the child's head with my left hand. यहाँ से शुरू होकर she opened up for an instant. She opened up for an instant. Next passage है in the final unreasoning assault, I overpowered the child's neck and jaws. यहाँ से शुरू होकर try to get off her father's lap and fly at me while tears of defeat blinded her eyes. Next passage है जी. Next lesson है the Bulestan of Sadi. The king and a Persian slave were sailing in the same boat से शुरू होकर when the uneasiness lasted longer, the king also became displeased. Next है it will be great favor, the king said. यहाँ से शुरू होकर a man does not realize the worth of safety from the misfortune until he has tasted it. Next passage. Sheikh Sadi was a great storyteller. से शुरू होकर a kebab of a versatile genius. Next passage. It is related that while a deer was being roasted for Noshirwa, यहाँ से शुरू होकर lest it should become a custom and the village be ruined. Next, a king fell seriously ill and all hopes of his recovery vanished. यहाँ से शुरू होकर when all was ready, the boy looked towards the sky and smiled. नेक्स्ट है इफ़ दे फेल दे आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू ब्रिंग द केस बिफोर द काजी। यहाँ से शुरू होकर इफ़ आई एम टू सीक जस्टिस फ्रॉम योर हैंड यहाँ तक। फुलिश क्वैक वन इवनिंग एज द सन वाज सेटिंग, वन इवनिंग एज द सन वाज सेटिंग एंड इट वाज देन ईजिली swallowed यहाँ तक। नेक्स्ट है thus exalted the unfortunate man, thus exalted the unfortunate man यहाँ से they beat him well and let him go, they beat him well and let him go। नेक्स्ट है one of the men now stepped forward, one of the men now stepped forward से लेकर why sir this cruel usage। नेक्स्ट है an old woman whose throat was swollen to a frightful size यहाँ से लेकर with so much force that the poor old creature instantly expired। नेक्स्ट है when he had overtaken them यहाँ से शुरू होकर how was a feeble old woman to stand the blow of her mallet। Hearing this, next है hearing this the pretended doctor began to say to himself यहाँ से शुरू होकर compelled to dig her grave यहाँ तक compelled to dig her grave। A mild attack of locust, a mild attack of locust। At once Richard shouted at the cook boy यहाँ से लेकर hills and shouting excitedly, pointing at the hills and shouting excitedly। Next, looking out, all the trees were queer and still। Through the hail of insects a man came running। Next, the main swarm is not settling यहाँ से शुरू होकर eaten flat with hoppers later on। Next passage, Margaret was wondering what she could do to help। They shall settle somewhere else perhaps यहाँ तक। But Margaret preferred not even to think of them यहाँ से शुरू होकर from now on always eminent। Next, everywhere 50 miles over the countryside यहाँ से शुरू होकर oppressive it was too with the heaviness of a storm। The gift of the Magi, if a king had lived in the same house से शुरू होकर it almost made herself a dress for her। She put on her old brown coat यहाँ से शुरू होकर next passage and stopped to get her breath। Third passage, the Magi as you know were wise men यहाँ से शुरू होकर of all who give and receive gifts such as they are the most wise। Next, within 40 minutes her head looked a little better। I do with $1.87 यहाँ तक। And the last passage from this lesson, when Della arrived home से लगकर she stood at the looking glass for a long time। God be praised। Next lesson, before his marriage से शुरू होकर village lanes wherever he walked through them, village lanes whenever he walked through them तक। Next, he was the only son of a Hafiz से लेकर Molvi able to inaugurate and bless his shop by becoming his first customer। Next, a few days later से शुरू होकर music of any kind could not be allowed in his house तक। Next passage, in the crowd there was also a loud-mouthed old hag से शुरू होकर as if they were a gift from there, as if they were a gift from there. Next, after the ceremonies were over, after the ceremonies were over, at the same time he looked at peace. At the same time he looked at peace. Next passage. But Chaudhry Fateh Dad's censure was purely religious. But Chaudhry Fateh Dad's censure was purely religious से लेकर My wife is unwell, so the maid has cooked the food. Overcoat. As the evening advanced, the cold became more intense. से शुरू होकर each according to his means यहाँ तक. A few minutes later, he found himself outside a large Western music shop तक लेकर. Lifting the cover of the keyboard, he played a few tunes and closed it again. Next, when the couple had walked some 100 yards ahead of him, taken advantage of the darkness and had sped away into the night. The young man seated on the cement bench से लेकर the buttons were of horn, big and shiny. These are the most important passages from our book.